Gyettaka 751 gye gikyakandaaliridde mu kkooti era ng'omwaka guno bukyanga gutandika emisango emipya egyakawaabwa giri 3692. Kino kiwaliriza ekitongole ekiramuzi nga kiri wamu ne Judicial Training Institute okuteekawo ennaku 14 okulaba nga bakola ku misango egimu mu nkola ey'okutabaganya kiyite alternative dispute resolution. Okusinziira ku mulamuzi akulira kkooti y'ebyettaka Damalirwanga, emisango 751 gye gikyakandaaliridde mu kkooti era ng'emisango 477 gye bagenda okuwulira mu nkola ey'okutabagana.
Total number of pending land matters in the division is currently 7,051, and of these 477 are mediation causes.
Ono era atangaazizza ku misango egyakakolebwako mu mwezi ogwokusatu n'omwezi ogwokuna.
But during the recent months of March and April 2026, within those 2 months, a total of 51 mediation causes were completed. The completion for May is not yet out because May is still running. But in comparison with the last financial year, where 261 mediation causes were registered and 193 were completed, this financial year, 655 mediation causes have so far been registered.
Bw'ati agamba okuva mu mwaka oguwedde emisango egy'okutabagana gyeyongedde, ekibawaliriza okutegeka wiiki ebbiri okuwulira emisango gino ng'enkola eno etuumiddwa pre-fortnight settlement ADR users round table.
A settlement fortnight in preparation for the settlement fortnight that the land division is planning to have. The land division, as you are aware, handles land-related disputes that fall within Kampala districts and also those that fall in some parts of Wakiso district.
Atangaziza ku byasalibwawo omwaka gw'ebyensimbi ogwa 2024-2025 okulaba ng'enkola ey'okutabaganya ennyikizibwa mu misango egy'ettaka.
After that review meeting, we set up an ADR committee in the land division which is composed of 11 members, including 2 judges and the 4 registrars at the division, among other members of that committee. This ADR committee meets regularly and performs the duties of monitoring and evaluation of the effectiveness of ADR, and it also offers support in all the ADR processes at the division. All the judges hold regular meetings with the mediators to discuss and address issues concerning mediation at the division.
Akulira abalamuzi ba kkooti enkulu Jenny Francis Abodo atubulidde lwaki emisango egisinga egy'ebyettaka gyandisaanye okuwulirwa mu nkola ey'okutabagana.
Like Justice Chibita said, are uniquely suited for mediation because they frequently involve family relationships, community ties, historical claims, and economic livelihoods. Many of these cases do not need to really drag in the system for so long. They drag in the system and they have ripple effects. And the effects are always not very, very good because they touch all of us. So I want to strongly encourage the judges, the mediators, counsel present here to proactively identify cases which you think should go for mediation at the earliest stage possible.
Abodo era akubiriza abalamuzi abatabaganya ne bannamateeka okulaba nga banokolayo emisango egisoboka okuwulirwa mu nkola eno kikendeeze ku kwetuuma kw'emisango n'asaba obutagyongezangayo bawe ensala zaabwe mu budde.
We have to be strict on adjournments. Adjournments should be for justice, not to delay justice. We should be able to have timely rulings, timely judgments. Otherwise, then we are not going to work out this. So delayed justice, especially in land matters, often leads to hardships. Like I said, it has ripple effects which we don't want to go there. It brings a lot of frustrations in families and sometimes, by the way, even breaches of peace, as we have seen. So timely delivery of decisions is an essential part of restoring the public confidence in the judiciary.
Abalamuzi abalala boogedde ku nsisinkano eno omuli n'okusomoozebwa kwe basanga nga bakola ku misango egy'ebyettaka.
The challenge which I face, and I think others also face it, is that there should be a penalty for somebody who intentionally frustrates a mediation I don't know whether that has ever been discussed, but you sometimes see that this man is really taking you back. This man or woman is taking you back, yet he should have settled at this stage. You go, and indeed, if you follow up that case, he loses the case. Do the judges out there look at this? Do you look at the mediation reports? I don't know whether the mediation reports should also cover that element.
Actually, the advocates emphasize payment of costs by the other party, coercively, not even amicably, coercively, and that in one or another affects the settlement.
Aneti Nakayibaale yakusakidde eggulire lino ku lwa KTV Amalindiri.